Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Oh my goodness, so many deals at Walgreens this morning. As you can see, I got tons of stuff. I didn't add up the retail value. It's hundreds of dollars worth of stuff that I got for less than $3. So I'm gonna walk you through all of the deals step by step, tell you exactly how I did them. I'll tell you if I did the deal in store or curbside. There's something I want to mention about curbside. Someone recently posted that there's a new process for checking out curbside orders that are no longer going to produce a receipt. So I was really nervous this morning when I went to Walgreens. Now, I always walk in the store to pick up my curbside order. And I asked the store, I said, hey, do you know anything about like a new curbside checkout process where you're, you don't print a receipt now? And they're like, no, I have no idea what you're talking about. So it might be happening in some stores, but not in other stores yet. Just a heads up that it could be going that way. I don't work for Walgreens, so I don't know. All I can tell you is I did 3 curbside pickups today, and I got a receipt, a physical receipt, all 3 times, and I didn't do anything different than I normally do, walk in the store and get my order. So, just so I've addressed that because I know people are going to be asking about it. Now, if you go into the store, check out the popcorn. So what is it called? Nearly Naked. This was it was just short of 90% off. It was 49 cents for this bag of popcorn. And so that's a great deal. I have no idea if it's any good, but someone already commented on my Instagram that it's like their favorite popcorn. So grab yourself some popcorn. My store had a ton of it. I just grabbed one bag because I didn't know if it was going to be any good or not. The Kellogg's deal that I've talked about the last couple of weeks, still good. It's still buy one, get one free. If you can find these at your store, I know they're hard to find. I only found 2 this morning, so $4.49. Buy one, get one free. You pay $4.49 at the register. Get back $4 on Ibotta for buying 2 of them. Then submit your receipt to the ShopKick app where you get $1.48 back, making your final cost completely free and a 50-cent moneymaker. Now, of course, these do count towards that free book if you submit your receipt to the Kellogg's Feeding Reading program. So awesome deal on that as well. Now, I had a $1 off coupon on my Walgreens card. It popped up this morning for a $1 off Kellogg's product. It said these were included. Now, I don't know if it's because they were buy one, get one free, but that digital coupon did not come off when I checked out. I'm not complaining, still got 2 boxes for free, so I thought that was a great deal. Let's talk about the other deals that you would want to do in store. So not curbside, but these are in-store deals. Register reward deals this week. I did the Crest. So I bought a Crest toothbrush and a Crest toothpaste. Now these are $4 each. And they're buy 2, get a $5 register reward. I had a $2 digital for the toothbrush, a $2 digital for the toothpaste. Okay, so I paid $4 at the register. You could pay in Walgreens cash if you want. And I got back a $5 register reward, making them both free and a $1 moneymaker. So easy deal there. Register reward deals are not my favorite. I think I've mentioned that before, mostly because I forget to use them. But I do have a video on how I choose to use my register rewards to lessen frustration at checkout. If you want to see that video, I will drop it down in the comments below. Now, other in-store deals, the TheraFlu. So check your store, see if they have this on clearance for $1.09. Mine was marked down 90% off. There is a $3 store coupon, which means it's going to take $1.09 off for each one that you purchase. So my store had, a bunch. I grabbed 2 of them and I paid $0 when I checked out because of that store digital coupon. Same concept with these Certainty adult incontinence products. There are a number of them marked 90% off. These were $1.39. There is a $2 store digital, making it completely free. So if you bought 5 packages, that $2 coupon would come off each time, adjust down to the price of the item, making them all free. So I got this one for free. I'm going to set this stuff down. That way I can show you these what they look like. All right, so these Certainty pads here, these were a little bit more expensive. They were $1.89, I believe, was the price on these. And there was a $3 store digital coupon. So again, that coupon's gonna auto adjust down to the price of the item, giving you each one of them for free. So these and these here, completely free with that store digital. Now, once you use the store digital, for some reason, even though that is an unlimited coupon for the month, for some reason, once you've used the digital coupon, it goes away. But they have those little booklets up by the register, so you could just have them scan that instead. It will work either way. All right, now I believe everything else I did as curbside. Okay, let me tell you these. All right, curbside deals. You can do them in store if you want. I do curbside because it's easier for me, and a lot of times the prices are just a little bit lower. Plus, I go through Rakuten and get additional cash back there as well. Okay, so the traditional pasta sauce, Prego, $2.49, buy one, get one free, making them $1.24 each. Not a bad price. You could probably get a similar price at the grocery store, but I can't use my Walgreens cash to pay at the grocery store or my register rewards. So I grabbed them at Walgreens because I used Walgreens cash and register rewards to pay. Now, these Splenda diabetes shakes, these are $7.99. I didn't check the in-store price, so I can't tell you if it's the same in-store. Curbside was $7.99. There's a $4 digital coupon, so you'll pay $3.99, get back $3 on Ibotta, making your final cost just 99 cents. So great deal on those. The Colgate products, this is an easy deal. Walgreens cash deal. You can do it online. You can do it in store. These are $3.99 each. Grab a toothpaste and a toothbrush. There's a $2 digital for each of them. That means you'll pay $3.98 and then get back $4 in Walgreens cash, making them both free. You can pay with Walgreens cash. You can pay with register rewards. You're still going to get your Walgreens cash back. Now, remember, don't do register reward deals. The Crest ones, don't do those for curbside because the register reward will not print. Definitely do those in store. Okay, the Poise pads. So these are 2 for $11. I had two $2 digital coupons. I also had a $3 off too. Now, of course, I was hoping the two $2 ones would come off. At the register, the $3 one came off. That's just my luck. But if you don't have the $3 one clipped, you should get that $4 off, making you pay $7 at the register, get back $6 on Ibotta, so $1 final cost or 50 cents each. But check your Fetch Rewards, because when I submitted my receipt to Fetch Rewards, like I do for all of my receipts, I had a $2 offer there as well. So these actually ended up being completely free and $1 moneymaker. This deal was a fun one that I shared earlier on Instagram because I never see deals on the 7th generation cleaning products. So these are $3.19 each. That's the curbside price. No idea what they are in store. My guess is a little bit more expensive. I had $1.50 digital as well as $1 digital. But these are on promotion for buy two, get $2 in Walgreens cash. So I paid $3.88. I got $2 back in Walgreens cash, making my final cost $1.88 or just 94 cents each. Now check and see if you have a coupon for these Epsom salts. These are $1.99 and I got a $1.50 digital coupon, but it's one of those only for you, so not all accounts will have it. So that would make it just 49 cents, but this is a regular price, so you could use the code SENIOR20 for a curbside order, and it's gonna take off another 10 cents, making your final cost just 39 cents total. Another Ibotta deal is on the Rimmel makeup products. There's deals on the face, the eye, and the lip. I grabbed 2 of the bronzers at $3.99. I grabbed 2 of the eye pencils at $4.49. Now, I did this curbside, so I used the code SENIOR20, which took additional money off. There's also a $4 off store digital. So that if you buy 4 products, that's going to take off $8 because it's $4 off any 2. So every 2 products you buy, it's going to take off $4. So $8 came off for the 4 of these. I think the other one fell out of my car. And then $1.80 came off with that senior 20 code. So I paid $7.16 for all 4 items, and I got back $9.10 on Ibotta. I got back $4.60 for the face. I got back $4.50 for the eye, making my final cost completely free, and $1.94 moneymaker. Another moneymaker that I'll tell you about is on these Cottonelle wipes. This is on the toilet paper aisle. These are $1.29, but submit to the Shopkick app because these are qualifying for $1.66 back when you scan it and buy it, making your final cost free and a 37-cent moneymaker. I don't think I mentioned the Glade plugin. It's $2.49. There's a $2.50 digital coupon. Do this one curbside. If you try to do it in store, it's likely not going to work for you. But curbside, that $2.50 coupon auto adjusts down to $2.49, making your final cost completely free. Last deal, I think, Shea Moisture. Buy one, get one half off. One at $4.19, the other at $2.09. There's a $5 digital coupon, making your final cost $1.28 for both, or just 64 cents each. Now, I feel like I ran through all of that really fast. On Sundays, I feel like I can't move fast enough because I'm trying to get all of the information out to you guys as fast as possible. Of course, I'm going to have clearance pictures at the end of the video. Trying to think if I want to share anything else. Oh, every week I'm sending out an email. So if you want to get on my email list, I only send out one email a week, kind of summarizing the week and showing the best deals that I found since I did videos. Go over to my website, savingwithchristina.com, and you will see a place where you can join my mailing list, and I will send that email out to you once weekly. I used to say it comes out on Thursdays, but honestly, it comes out when I get around to it because life is crazy. So, but only once a week. I think that's it. I hope you guys have a great start to your week. Thanks.